LR, the Liberal Redneck here. Coming to you from a country where things seem to be going from incredibly bad to unmitigated disaster for former President Trump. Current reports claim he is $1.3 billion in debt. His go-to banking institution, Deutsche Bank, has severed all ties with him. His flagship hotel in Washington, D.C. lost $70 million while he was in office. For the first time in 25 years, he disappeared from the Forbes Richest 400 Americans list. He currently has pending 15 criminal and civil cases, with many more likely to follow. Those currently active include E. Jean Carroll defamation and Federal Tort Claims Act litigation. Carroll is suing Trump for defamation after he publicly accused her of fabricating a rape allegation against him. Summer Zervos defamation suit. Summer Zervos, a former contestant on The Apprentice, has filed a civil suit against former President Trump for defamation after he claimed her allegations of his inappropriate sexual conduct were lies designed to help the Clinton campaign and improve her fame. Mary Trump fraud litigation. Mary Trump is suing Donald Trump for defrauding her out of millions of dollars in an inheritance dispute. Doe versus the Trump Corporation class action. A group of anonymous plaintiffs have filed a class action against the Trump family and their business, alleging that the Trumps used their brand to scam investors into paying for worthless business opportunities. D.C. civil suit over misuse of 2017 inauguration funds. In a non-criminal suit, the D.C. Attorney General is suing several Trump-affiliated entities for misusing inauguration funds to enrich Trump's family business. Representatives Karen Bass et al. Incitement suit for January 6th Capitol attack. 10 members of the House of Representatives, represented by the NAACP, are suing Trump, Rudy Giuliani, and 2 right-wing militia groups for conspiring to forcibly prevent Congress from counting the Electoral College votes on January 6th. Eric Swalwell incitement suit for January 6 riots. On March 5, 2021, Representative Eric Swalwell used Donald Trump, Rudy Giuliani, Donald Trump Jr., and Congressman Mo Brooks in federal court over the January 6 riots. Capitol Police suit for January 6 riots. 2 Capitol Police officers, both on duty during the January 6 insurrection, sued Donald Trump for injuries they sustained while protecting the Capitol. Second Capitol Police suit for January 6 riots. A second group of Capitol Police officers filed suit against Trump, the Proud Boys, the Oath Keepers, and other affiliates involved in allegedly planning and executing the January 6 riots. NAACP's Legal Defense Fund, voting rights case for post-election actions. The LDF is suing Trump, the Trump campaign, and the RNC for their efforts to overturn the 2020 election in violation of the Voting Rights Act and the Ku Klux Klan Act. New York Attorney General's civil and criminal investigations. Since March 2019, New York Attorney General Letitia James has been investigating allegations that the Trump Organization altered property values to avoid tax liabilities. Criminal investigation into Trump's finances. During his presidency, the Manhattan District Attorney investigated Trump's finances. Manhattan DA Cyrus Vance recently gained access to Trump's tax information in the course of a criminal investigation into potential tax crimes, insurance fraud, and other financial crimes under state law. D.C. AG incitement in criminal investigation. The D.C. Attorney General Karl Racine has announced a criminal investigation into Trump's alleged role in provoking the January 6 riots. Fulton County, Georgia, criminal election influence investigation. The Fulton County DA's office has opened a criminal investigation into attempted election interference by Trump. All of this does not include the House Select Committee investigating the deadly invasion of the Capitol on January 6, 2020. They are uncovering a sordid tale of the former president's unbridled efforts to steal the election from the duly certified winner, President Joe Biden. In the past, Trump has always been able to buy his way out of his failures and mistakes, but he is way underwater in this mess, and he cannot possibly wiggle his way out of such a determined assault by such a myriad of litigants. In the words of his evangelical followers, this is the end times for the disgraced former president. You can reach me with questions, comments, or suggestions at theliberalredneck@gmail.com. And you can listen to all episodes of our podcast at blogtalkradio.com/theliberalredneck and houseofpublicdiscourseradio.com. Thanks for watching.